Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the ASUS RX 6600 graphics driver the correct way. So first, open your browser and simply type ASUS. Click on the first official ASUS website. Now on the top bar, hover your mouse over support and from the drop down menu click on drivers and manuals. Here you will see two options, search by model or select a product manually. I'll select the product type first, so choose graphics card, then choose AMD series, and for the product model you can scroll and find it manually, but I prefer searching directly, so type RX 6600 and the graphic card will appear. Click on it. Now go to driver and tools. Here you can click the icon or simply expand all options. You will see the AMD Radeon driver. Click download. The file size is around 700 MB. Once the download is complete, run the setup. During my first attempt, the installer showed an error because my Windows update was in progress, so if the same happens for you, make sure to finish all pending Windows updates first. After updating Windows, I ran the installer again, and this time the AMD Radeon driver installed successfully. You can confirm the installation by checking the Radeon icon in the system tray or by right, clicking on the desktop and seeing the AMD Radeon software option. That's it guys, your ASUS RX 6600 driver is now installed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.